Hey, what's up guys? As you can tell from the title of this video, hair care tips and tricks and products to still take care of your curly hair while you are on vacation. I looked out there and there are only a few videos about this. I don't know why. Maybe that's because people feel like this is maybe something that's self-explanatory, but I don't know. I know when I went on my first big vacation out of the country, I had the concern of, how will I take care of my curls and everything like that when I wanted to wear my natural curls on vacation. And I'm about to go on vacation myself, so this is kind of a motivation for me to put this video out, just in case anyone else out there has wondered that or thought about that. How can I have my curls popping just as much as they do at home on vacation? So I'm just gonna get right into it. The first thing that I highly recommend everyone bring with them, yes, your satin pillowcases. Those hotel pillowcases, that cotton and stuff, is harsh on our curls. So I highly recommend throwing this in your suitcase. That way when you get to the hotel or to someone's house, if you're going to someone's house, you can just throw these right on the pillow and you're all set for when you lay down at night or take a nap or whatever. And also your silk or satin scarves. I have several. Bring these too, just in case, if you don't have any satin pillowcases, you can always bring your scarves and your bonnet. I bring all of these personally. I have this huge oversized bonnet to fit all my curls in. So I bring all of those with me because I do use all three. So this is a good thing to have to keep your curls nice and moisturized and everything like that. And when you are going to be conditioning, always plastic conditioning cap, really easy, does not take up a lot of space in your suitcase. I always make sure I bring my little plastic cap with me for when I condition my hair. Also, your choice of towel. Mine is my microfiber towel from Diva Curl. I love it. It works best on my curls. You can use a regular towel or a cotton t-shirt. I know sometimes people use just whatever works best for your curls, but mine is definitely my microfiber towel. I take it with me all the time, and this is the mini one. Look how convenient it is. You can just fold it up really easy and just throw it right in your suitcase. Also, this does not take up a lot of space either, so I love that. And if you want your diffuser attachment, if you are going to a hotel, they definitely should have a blow dryer, so you can just pop this right on there, go ahead and diffuse your hair. Or if you like to air dry, you can air dry. I know I've been air drying lately because it's just been working best for my curls lately. So this that I have in right now is a diffused wash and go. I'm not really feeling it that much, but it's okay. But yeah, you can throw your diffuser in your suitcase. I still do bring this with me just in case I want to get a different look with my curls, but mostly, like I said, lately I have been air drying. But always your trusty dusty diffuser. And also your spray bottle of water. I have to absolutely bring this with me because even if I'm not washing my hair, if I want to just refresh a couple of curls, I can just spray my water on there, put a little bit of product and go. I'm done, ready to go, things like that. And also for products, any type of gel, and the Eco, I love Eco Styler. I have the olive oil one and the argan oil gel. These both are my favorite. I use both of these. I bring both of these. So whatever gel of your choice that you like to use to lay your hair down, or even just put in your curls, you could throw this in your suitcase too. That way you're already ready to go if you need to do an up style or an updo. And also some type of mousse. I love to bring a mousse. I love to use my Shea Moisture. This is the Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz Free Curl Mousse. And my absolute favorite is my Cream of Nature Style and Shine Foaming Mousse for my curls. If you just need to hurry up and put a little bit of product in your hair, you can always use mousse. You can never go wrong with it. And these are the two that I like to bring along with me. And I do want to point out, although I am showing these travel size bottles and jars, you guys, I bring my big regular size bottles with me on vacation because I am generous with product. I use a lot. Also, if you are going to be staying somewhere longer than 3 or 4 days, I do recommend bringing your full size bottles because you may have to wash your hair once, twice, or more. You just never know, especially if you're going somewhere that it's going to have a pool which contains chlorine, or the ocean, excuse me, with salt water in it, which neither of those are good for your curls. So you're definitely going to have to wash that out of there. But I do bring my full size bottles, and I bring travel size too, just in case if it's someone that I'm with that I'm traveling with, like my mom, if she needs to use something on her hair, we just have that extra stuff that we can use. So I love to do that. So for my shampoo and conditioners, this is my Diva Curl No Poo and One Condition. It is from the Decadence line. I labeled these because there were other products in here before I put the shampoo and conditioner in here. So I labeled these. This is my No Poo right here and my One Condition. I always take this with me because these are for putting that moisture back into your hair. So I like to bring 1 or 2 different shampoos and conditioners just because your hair may need something one day and then the next day it may need something different. So I do love to do that. And you can use the different things that you need for your hair according to, you know, its needs. My second favorite shampoo and conditioner to bring with me when I go out of town is my OGX Argan Oil Morocco shampoo and conditioner. I love these two. And you guys, I just recently found out, see, that's why you have to read what's in your products and look at the bottle and really read it, because I did not know that these from OGX are actually protective from UV and sun ray damage for your hair. So these have components in it that protect your hair from the sun and sun damage and things like that. So if you're going to somewhere that has a lot of sun and a warmer climate, definitely a good one to bring with you. And again, these are the travel size. And or if it's not this, some type of shampoo and conditioner that will help you or that will help your hair still be nice and moisturized and not too dried out from the sun. So something that helps that. I do highly recommend that. And also your hair tools. I bring all of my hair tools. You can never forget your hair tools, especially your wide tooth comb if you need to detangle, a pick for volume to pick out your hair, and all of your edge tools to lay those edges, you guys. If you don't lay your edges, that's fine. I do like to lay mine sometimes, but if you don't, that's completely fine. Toothbrush. This is actually an edge brush. I got it from the beauty supply, and that's exactly what it said on there, edge brush. I haven't tried it out yet. It's still new. And then just my regular brush that I use all the time if I want to just brush up my hair for a bun style or an updo. These are all perfect for that, so I love that. And last but not least, I do want to put in, if you are going to be using heat flat ironing your hair, always bring your heat protectant. This is super duper important if you are going to straighten your hair to prevent your curls from getting too much damage from the heat. And my favorite heat protectant to use is the Tresemme Heat Tamer Leave-In Spray. And I haven't used this in ages because I haven't straightened my hair in ages, but this is my favorite heat protectant to have with me whenever I do decide to flat iron my hair or straighten my hair. I love to bring that one with me. And lastly, all of your different hair clips and hair ties. You can never have enough scrunchies with you on vacation. I know I can't. I bring a ton. Hair clips to clip up your hair when you're, washing it or whatever, or if you just want to put it back for a cute style. Cute little, trinkets like this to put in your hair. This bow, I love this little bow, and little things like that. And also oil of your choice. Mine that I absolutely love, again, by OGX, is the Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless Healing Dry Oil. And I love this oil because argan oil is one of the few oils that I have noticed that actually help my hair grow, keep my hair moisturized, and really help nourish my curls. I love argan oil, and I love this specific kind because it's nice and lightweight. I don't like to use a lot of products that weigh my hair down because I have fine hair. So the lighter the better, and it just works, and it smells amazing. I use this on my wash and goes, and I definitely bring it on vacation if I just need to refresh, or if my hair is a little dry. I just spray this all over my curls and fluff them out, and I'm all set to go. So that's pretty much it. One thing I do want to mention before I go, if you are about to go on vacation, I highly recommend already having your hair washed and conditioned and ready to go before you get on the plane or before you get on the road, whatever means of transportation you're using to get to your destination. Just already have your hair done and set. I had to learn this the hard way. It will save you so much hassle and so much time from being tired, you guys, because when I went on vacation before, we literally had to get right off the plane. Transportation took us to the hotel. We got to the hotel, we had to shower and change and go to a function soon as we got there, and my hair was not done, and I hated it. It didn't look right, and I'm like, why didn't I wash and do my hair before I left? So it saves a lot, you guys. And I know some of you might be thinking, well, what about if it's getting all frizzy and all messed up while I'm on the plane or while I'm in the car? You know, if you're doing a road trip, wouldn't you rather have to just refresh your curls versus having to do a whole wash, a whole condition, things like that? So I had to rationalize it that way, and I just, whenever I leave now, or when I'm getting ready to leave, a day or 2 or 3 before my flight or whatever, I just wash my hair, condition it, and style it however I want to, whether it be a wash and go, or whether you want to do a braid out, a twist out, or even if you're flat ironing your hair, just have it done before you get on that plane or before you get in the car, train, or whatever you're taking to do your vacation. So those are my little tips and products to bring with you for your curls while you're on vacation. Let me know what you guys like to do when you're going on vacation, what you like to do with your curls, what you bring, what you do. Let me know that in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video so you don't miss out on any content from me. And thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.